Hey, hey! Okay, stop. Welcome to the episode 2 of Uncomfortable Truths, where we walk together the bitter parts of life. What do you think is the answer to questions like, why isn't my life better like others? Life is not fair. If I had things they had, I would have been successful. What if I tell you the answer to all these questions is your mindset? Well, let me explain my point. Everybody gets their privilege at different periods of their life. We often compare those timings with others, making us feel all those negative emotions. How do we get over that? As said earlier, the answer is our mindset. You need to understand that things will unfold beautifully when the time is right. That's how life is. Will not be left unseen. So go on, take a deep breath and live your life. Not just exist, but live your life.